Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can import and manage holidays for any country in which you have an employee present. With more and more teams becoming geographically dispersed, Vacation Tracker helps you stay compliant with the leave laws of their country and also ensures that their public holidays are being properly observed. To get started, as usual, you're going to log in to your Vacation Tracker account and you're going to head on over to the left-hand menu. You're going to click on the Leave Setup section to open it further if it's not already open, and then you're going to click on Locations because it is here where we can choose the holidays for each of the locations in our account. To import holidays for a specific location, you just need to find that location's card and then click on the View Holidays hyperlink text. And then from here, you're going to click on the Import Holidays button. Now you just need to select the year and the country in which you'd like to import holidays for. And if you select a country that is broken up by province or state, you can also specify that selection as well. Once you click on Next, you'll notice that the system will automatically pre-populate the list of holidays for that specific state or that specific country. If you find that there are holidays that you do not want to be counted in that location, you can simply uncheck it, or if there are other holidays here that you wish to be included, you can also check those off. If you find the list too overwhelming, you can also choose to filter it and then go through the list that way. Once you're happy with your selections, you can scroll all the way down and click on the Next button. And then the system will ask you to confirm your selection. Lastly, before you click on Import, you do have the option to automatically import these holidays for future years. By default, it's going to be checked off to yes, but if you feel like the holidays are going to change from year to year, you can select no and then repeat this process for the following year. Once you're happy with your choices, you're going to click on Import Selected Holidays, and now these holidays will be automatically added to this location. If you want to make changes to a holiday's name, you can click on the little pencil icon next to a holiday, and you can update the name if you'd like. You can also choose to delete a holiday if you made an error simply by clicking on the little trash can icon next to the holiday. Once you confirm your deletion, it'll automatically be removed from the system. And now it's just a matter of repeating these steps for each location and importing the specific holidays for each one. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about holidays and how they work inside of Vacation Tracker, then feel free to check out our Help Desk Center, which has tons of articles covering the subject in much more depth. And if you run into any issues whatsoever when managing or importing holidays of your own, then don't be shy about reaching out to our support team, either via chat or email.